Nearly all successful people have similar habits. In this episode, I will share 12 habits of prosperous people and show you how, by practicing positive thinking, you will be able to concentrate your strengths and accomplishments to enhance commitment and motivation. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Gerry MacPherson. Here's an interesting fact. Nearly all successful people have similar habits. You may not have noticed them, so I'm going to share with you a list of the 12 most common. 1. Be decisive. I've mentioned this before. When you have a decision to make it. Big or small, this will affect your success in life, but it is important to make sure that these decisions complement your values. 2. Be responsible. Being responsible means taking control of the events that happen in your life. It's the difference between success and failure and will influence your success. 3. Be focused. Focusing on your goals that you set will help you become successful. Without focus, you will be unable to do things that you need to accomplish for success. 4. Break down goals into smaller pieces. A major source of stress in life comes from feeling that there are an impossible number of things to do. Success in each step triggers the reward center of the brain, releasing a feel-good chemical known as dopamine, leaving you feeling motivated and inspired to take the next step. 5. Wake up early. Most who are successful in life cultivate a habit of waking up early. If you have difficulty waking up early, use an alarm clock. 6. Exercise. Any form of exercise, from yoga to aerobics, elevates your mood and increases the feel-good chemicals in your brain. Exercising also acts as a type of meditation, focusing the mind on a particular task and clearing any doubts, as well as lowering stress. After the break from our sponsor, I'm going to share with you 6 more habits. Do you have an independent hospitality property, a hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, and at times feel overwhelmed with all you have to do? Do you find yourself doing everything from checking guests in, to marketing, to looking for the right people to work for you, to cleaning toilets and everything in between? What happens when things become hectic? Do you feel stressed? Do you find it difficult to plan for the future when your only concern is how to get the rooms ready for the new arrivals? So what can you do? You have to get organized. You have to learn the strategies that'll make you more effective. Wouldn't it be great to learn the techniques the big brand hospitality properties use and to work like you have a full organizational structure supporting you? If the answer is yes, your next question might be, how do I do this? Well, if you can make the time and have the extra funds, many universities and colleges offer hospitality training programs. Or you can learn from those who've gone through all your problems and see how they have streamlined their business. You can do this by becoming a member of the Hospitality Property School Group. The benefits of this group include helping your hospitality property to gain a clear vision, help set up your organizational structure, help set up your brand, help your social media strategy, help create an atmosphere to hire the right employees, help grow your business. The Hospitality Property School Group is designed to share knowledge, tips, and techniques to like-minded hospitality property owners and managers who might not have the benefit of having an entire organization to support them. If you are looking for ways to streamline your business, learn how to set up an organizational strategy, to hire and keep the right employees, and to increase your bookings and profit, then visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site and explore the Hospitality Property Group for an entire week for only $1. We guarantee you'll find tips and techniques that you can begin using right away to help start improving your bookings and profit. But don't just take my word for it. Explore yourself for an entire week for only $1. That's KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com membership-site. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before the break, I said I was going to share with you 6 more habits. Here is number 7. Avoid distractions. Drugs, alcohol, bad company, social media are examples of distractions that can lead to failure. To help avoid distractions, make sure you have a to-do list and work on completing the items on your list before your workday ends. 8. Be patient. Patience pays. If you do things in a hurry, chances are you won't have the time to do them the right way, and you could fail. Take your time. 9. Listen more and speak less. Those who are successful use most of their time listening instead of speaking. By listening more and speaking less, you have time to digest what you're listening to, and that gives you the time to make sound decisions. 10. Be respectful. Respect is the key to success. If you show respect, you'll be amazed at how you will get respect in return. 11. Always make the first move. Be bold in life and always make the first move. That's how you stay ahead of the crowd. And 12. Manage time well. Time is money, and if you're not able to manage your time, don't expect success. Did those make sense? Let me know by leaving a short comment. Occasionally, life has a way of making us feel small or breaking us down when something or someone get in the way. The truth is your mindset. The way you think is usually what makes the difference. Learning how to manage your thought patterns is what is going to keep you on the move when things fail to go as planned. I'm going to share with you 10 ways you can improve the way you think. Now, if you listened to or read the past couple of podcasts or posts, some of these tips might feel redundant, but there's a reason for that. They work. Practicing positive thinking enables people to concentrate on their strengths, as well as accomplishments that enhance contentment and motivation. Visit the show notes to get your own copy of the How Do Successful People Deal with Negativity and 10 Ways You Can Improve the Way You Think download. 1. Taking care of yourself. It's easier to stay positive when you're feeling well. And by this I mean eating properly, exercise, and getting plenty of rest. 2. Start your day off strong. Your day's effectiveness is normally determined by the first few morning hours. If you start by checking the Facebook news feed and emails when you get out of bed, you might not have control where the morning takes you. Front load your morning with activity that gives you a positive mental focus. A brief brainstorming or workout session will help in keeping you on the right track. 3. Take control of what goes into your head. Newspapers or tabloids. Learn to be proactive and disciplined about things that you allowed to go through your mind. We cannot change our DNA, but we can opt to be more vigilant about what sort of information we choose to consume. 4. Practice gratitude. Recall what you're grateful for time and time again. Focus on the positive things as opposed to its negatives. 5. Search for the proof rather than making assumptions. Have you ever felt that a friend, family member, or colleague is upset with you because of something you have or may have done? Did you let these feelings fester? Well, there's a way you can find out for sure. Ask. One way or another, at least you know, and you can react accordingly. Worrying and not doing anything is a huge waste of your time. 6. Avoid making use of absolutes. Speaking and thinking in absolutes such as always, for example, you're always late, and never, for example, you never contact me, make the situation appear even worse than it is, and forces your brain to believe that certain individuals are not capable of delivering. 7. Crush the ants. Ants, automatic negative thoughts, are actually bad thoughts which are generally reactionary, such as, "Those guys are laughing. They must be laughing at me." Or, "The boss wishes to meet me. I must have messed up." When you recognize these type of thoughts, understand they are simply ants and just crush them. 8. Practice caring and touching. You do not have to be a professional to understand the advantages of a great hug. Positive bodily contact with buddies, family members, and even domestic pets is an immediate pick-me-up. You do have to keep in mind when and when it's not appropriate, especially in the workplace. 9. Enhance your social activity. By boosting social activities, you reduce solitude. If you surround yourself with happy, healthy people, you'll be affected by their positive energy. 10. Help someone else. Everybody feels great after helping. By sharing your knowledge and expertise, you're not only helping someone else grow, but adding positive energy to the environment. In conclusion, becoming successful without doubt is one of the most coveted achievements today. If you are serious and work on developing the proven habits of successful people and following the 10 strategies, it will help you gain positive momentum in your life. Come to terms with the reality that obstacles are inevitable, but know that you can control the journey to finding your best self as a positive thinker. It has been a very busy year for us here at Keystone HTC. So we're going to take the next 2 weeks off to take a breath before jumping into the next year. A year we are very excited about. That being said, we will release our next podcast on January 8th. We want to take this time to wish all of you, wherever you are on this planet of ours, happy holidays and a wonderful new year. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.